Marcy, let's make a video on a very, can I use the word sexy? Because it's a hip topic.
You know what?
Cannabis.
It's definitely because not everyone does
That's right. Okay, so I'm going to use the word sexy, but
it.
intriguing.
It's
Cannabis. We recently closed the loan. We've done a bunch of them. This was a cannabis in
in
Connecticut.
Mhm.
First, before I forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, wherever you're seeing it. If you have questions, leave them, we'll answer them. But more,
But let me just put a little
yes,
note. So cannabis, we do cannabis, but we do the retail
yes,
cannabis.
don't,
This
very
is like
good point.
very
Very
important
good
because
point.
I get calls
Yeah,
all the
yes,
time.
yeah, they
We
want us to
don't
do
do
the
the
growing.
grows.
Yeah, we don't. We
So
do
when I
retail.
say cannabis, I just want to make it like
It's
very clear. It's the retail cannabis.
That's
we do.
why I have you, because
Otherwise,
you clear me up.
you get enough
You
calls
clear up
on,
my message.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
God
yeah,
for you.
yeah. So
I'd be in big trouble without you.
retail.
Okay, so
Okay,
tell
let's
everyone
start.
about the deal. It was
So
and also it was a blanket loan,
it was blanket loan.
no appraisal.
Okay, so listen, let's just talk about cannabis for a minute, retail to start. Now, whatever state that it's in, the building in the area has to
Vodka?
be
No, it's water.
has to be approved to have cannabis in it. So that's the first hurdle, like any borrower has to address, is that they have to make sure the cannabis can go into the building. So this particular borrower, very, very educated, savvy business people. They, saw an opportunity. It was they actually, this was a situation where an original borrower assigned it to our borrower, and then they were going to purchase it. So in this situation, the seller sold to someone else, and then that person assigned it to our borrower. Okay, so you know what? It was a little bit of a not complicated, but not a straightforward deal. They had to come to us. They had nowhere else to go.
And we thought, remember, we're real estate lenders. We're not
Right.
lending on the cannabis business
No,
per
no,
se.
we're landing on the collateral.
Yes. So we thought the borrower overpaid a little
Which
bit
you do that a lot of times
for the
with
real
cannabis,
estate.
yes.
Because I get it from the borrower's perspective, they're overpaying, they're paying top price, maybe even higher because of the cannabis
because
approval.
it's zoned cannabis.
But we
why.
can't operate a cannabis
No.
business.
So we lent what we felt comfortable on that particular
And-
collateral, and we also had to have the borrower at another property that they
Yes.
owned in another state. So this became a blanket loan because we needed to find
The cannabis was
our
in
equity.
Connecticut, the
Yes.
other was in New York, correct?
Mhm. So which we can do, you
And the
know.
loan amount was $800,000. You know, I'm gonna start mentioning loan amounts. I always forget to do that on this.
It was 800. So we were able to get this done. It was very, it took a lot. It really did. There was a lot of people involved in the deal, a lot of, because 2 different states, they're attorney-driven states, a lot of attorneys, the seller, time crunch, extensions, and then we came into the deal. And
But
you
you
know
do
what?
all that all the time. You're used to closing
All I
blanket
do.
loans in multiple states.
This person, that person, we brought everyone together, and you know what? We got the deal closed. And our borrower was beyond thrilled because they are going to have this amazing business in our collateral. And it's just like they wouldn't have been able to get this business started if it wasn't for like a non-bank lender like Gelt Financial.
That's correct.
So,
Again, cannabis, a lot of lenders aren't doing them. Banks
No.
aren't doing them. We do them, but Marcia makes a good point on the retail, not on the
yeah.
go. Blanket loan, no appraisal, no environmental, and really no documentation per se,
No.
because it's all based on future income.
Yes, no document there. I mean, like, when this story goes, like we say, like we like the property to debt service, and this situation that there's no debt service
There's
doesn't
no
even
debt
come into play. So, that's why we say every single deal is unique and special in its own way. And we look at each deal individually and the whole story, and we figure it out.
Did they send an invitation to you to extend the free samples or whatever?
I don't know. I might consider going.
Can I tell you, I don't know if you remember, we closed one
Yeah, in Jersey.
in New Jersey, and they sent us an invitation
Yeah.
to the grand opening.
It's
Yeah.
exciting. It's really exciting to see something being built
you
and something
know,
growing.
I've said it on another video today, and I'm going to say it again. I love the part of my job that I love is when we help people who have a dream and they execute on the dream. and they want to make money, and they make money with our capital. And without our capital, we're not helping them. We're extending them a helping hand, and we're enabling them
To be able to do
be
this.
successful.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
So it's such a great feeling. Coincidentally, we're making these videos in a row. We just made one on a daycare center. We made one on, what was the other one? Oh, a car wash and a cannabis. All three
And
purely,
single family homes.
yes, all three are the same thread. It's an entrepreneur who wants to have a better life. He wants to make money, him or her, for their family, to live a better life. And they're willing to take risks and work hard. They're up 24/7, 7 days a week, putting it all on the line. There's something about being an entrepreneur that I just love, and I relate to other entrepreneurs. And when we can provide them the capital they need, it's a fantastic feeling. And when they're successful, it's an even better feeling. So
Absolutely.
we love helping real estate investors and owners of businesses with their financing, the real estate financing need. We just love it. And we're very flexible, and we have a fantastic team. And that's it. We're looking to do more deals. Again, we have a bunch of cannabis deals, any kind of deal. So let's give them an overview. Real estate, minimum value 250. I think we lend in like 40 states, something like
Something
that.
like that.
We can close very quick. We get approvals quick, closing quick,
We're a
close.
direct lender. It's really
Direct
important to know
lender, yes, direct
So
lender.
good.
We
It's-
hold our loans. There's
Yeah.
so many. I get so many
Oh.
emails from people. Oh, how do I know
Well,
you're not a
because it
broker?
comes
How-
from this broker, but then I talked to this broker and they're like, oh no, it came from this and it came from that.
We're a direct lender. We originate our own loans. We do not sell them. We service them,
Right.
which means if the borrower has a problem with payments, they
They can
talk to
call
us, and we
us.
can be flexible and work
Yeah.
with them. I don't remember if this came from a mortgage broker or not, but we work with mortgage
It
brokers.
did come from mortgage broker.
A mortgage broker earned a fee, which they're entitled to. We love working with mortgage brokers, and we do it all day long. What else do we leave off,
I
Marcy?
think that's it. I think that was a great summary.
Okay, check us out at geltfinancial.com. Call us at 561-221-0900. And remember, we want to earn your business. Take care and have a great day.